Hello and welcome to Cook Command Center Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the Remote View ATM module and find associated EJs. When you log into Cook Command Center, you'll come to this locations page. You'll see all of your locations in this locations map, as well as 4 interactive tabs up here. These 4 interactive tabs are locations, security open service orders, ATM open service orders, and preventative maintenance service orders. What we're going to do today is we're going to navigate down to the Remote View tab. We're going to navigate into the ATMs tab and then look at the EJs. So when you navigate to the Electronic Journals tab, what you'll see is a terminal icon. You'll select terminal. You'll select an associated date from and to, click go, and what you're going to see is associated EJs. From here, you can do one of two things. You can quick search for an EJ. So if I wanted to say I knew only the pan, if I search there, it would bring it up. You can create a new case by clicking new case. This is going to bring you into the case management. You can export or you can view the EJ itself by clicking this down arrow. When clicking this down arrow, you'll see an associated receipt to that electronic journal. You'll see the account information. You'll see the amount information. You'll see the bank information. The other information would be right here, and then any associated charges, so any currency fees or anything like that. You can download the receipt if need be, and if you have event to video, you could see that here. So if I click into either one of these cameras, it's going to show me associated video footage for that particular video. You can download the video here as well, so if you needed to create a case, you could create it here, or you could download the video here as well, so you don't have to go into your associated Pico environment to download. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.